Hi, welcome to my channel Talk with Sarah. Now let's see what is that you're going to learn from today's class. You're going to learn how to master a small talk, how to converse with a person when you're meeting him or her for the first time. So are you all ready? We are going to see how to talk to anyone through small talk. Are you all ready to learn from this? So let's see how to talk to someone on the very first meet, how to continue with the small talk. So in today's class, you're going to learn 3 points. That is, make a good first impression. The very first time when you meet someone, how to make a good impression. That is what we are going to learn. The second thing is engage in a small talk successfully. How are we going to engage ourselves in the small talk successfully? The third one, end a small talk successfully. The third one that we are going to learn is how to end the talk. Because you're having a conversation, it's going to be a small conversation. You should learn how to end the talk. Now let's see what the first tip is. So the first one is easing the first impression. How are you going to create that first impression? So here we go. Now there's a question. I have a question. So how long do you think it takes for a person to form a first impression? So is it 10 seconds, 1 minute, 7 seconds or 15 seconds? So actually the research says it actually takes 7 seconds to form a first impression. Now let's see how can we do that. Now here's a question. Now what do you think this person is working as? So many of us would definitely say that he's a tattoo maker. So that will be the answer. But the actual answer for this is, let's see what he is. He's a doctor. Now on what criteria did you judge him that he is a tattoo maker? Is because of the way he is. Because he had tattoos all over his arms. So now, but the reality is he's a doctor. Now from this it's clearly known that our appearance plays a very important role, that he or she has to have a proper appearance for people to form great impression. Yes, now today's class I'm going to teach that 7 steps, okay, and 7 simple tips to impress people in just 7 seconds. Can you believe that? You're just going to learn how to impress people in just 7 seconds. Now the very first tip is non-verbal communication. Yes, the first step to impress someone in the first way when you see them, the very first time when you see them is your non-verbal communication. That can be your hand gestures, your expressions, your smile, the way you stand. And this is really going to create a great impression. So the second one is your appearance. So the way you dress yourself, the way you carry yourself also plays a very important role in really forming that first impression from others. So your appearance matters a lot. So make sure you dress appropriately, you dress in a sensible way which matches your profile. Yes, because a policeman cannot have a big tummy, or a doctor cannot be wearing casuals and during his duty time. So the appearance matters a lot. The third tip is use the power of smiling. We should make sure that we smile. Whenever we meet someone, smile is very important. Very third tip is you will have to use the power of smiling. Smiling really is something which will bring a great difference in forming a good impression on someone when you smile at someone. And it doesn't cost much, we all know that. So the fourth tip to impress someone is you will have to pay attention to your voice. Your voice matters. The person, whoever meets you, should really feel that you're friendly or confident. It can be sensed through your voice. You'll have to have a good voice when you talk to them. You should make them feel that you sound friendly to them. It shouldn't make them feel that you're dominating them or you're rude or you're harsh, but it should make them feel that this person is very friendly, this person is very confident about whatever we ask for. The fifth tip is maintain eye contact. Yes, it's very important to have proper eye contact with people whom you meet for the first time. Not just for the first time, whenever you have conversation with anyone, you should make sure you have proper eye contact, because that's very important. Just imagine you're talking to someone and that person is not paying proper attention to you. How will you feel? You will definitely feel bad, right? So never make others feel bad of you if you're not going to have proper eye contact. Eye contact is very, very important, and I'm sure you will follow this tip. The sixth tip is try to remember people's name. Yes, you'll have to somehow strive to remember people's name, because this is something that makes them feel personalized. Whenever you meet someone, try to associate their name with something so that you don't forget their name. Whenever you try to call them with their names, people love it. People love it when you call someone with their names. Yes, the final tip is again associated with the sixth tip. As I told you, try to associate the way their names. If you're not able, if your memory is not that good, try to associate their names with something. For example, Joan from Jersey, so you can associate, okay, if it's she's from Jersey, so her name is Jones. So this way you'll have to have association to remember their names. So these are the 7 tips which I have told you: how to have a small talk, how to engage a small talk, and how to end the talk.